Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore packaging mockups in Photoshop using Smart Objects. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. Import the packaging mockup file you want to restore. Select the mockup layer in the Layers panel. Right-click on the mockup layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Double-click the thumbnail of the Smart Object layer. This action will open the contents of the Smart Object in a new tab. Here, you can edit the original design. To insert your new packaging design, go to File and select Place Embedded. Choose your new design file and click Place. Adjust the size and position of the design as needed. Once satisfied with the placement, press Enter to confirm. Now, save the Smart Object by going to File and clicking Save. Close the Smart Object tab to return to the mockup. Your mockup will now display the updated design. If necessary, use the Transform tool to adjust the overall appearance. You might also want to refine the mockup layer's effects. Adjust shadows and highlights for a more realistic look. When you're finished tweaking, save your final mockup as a new file. Export the finished design in your preferred format. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.